Today on Cravings Food Adventures, we're going to be making a delicious green chutney. This is great on sandwiches and it also can be used as a dip. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. Great chutney starts with fresh coriander and cilantro and some other ingredients. I've washed and cleaned a bunch of coriander here. This is approximately 3 cups and I'm going to be using both the leaves and the stems. I've roughly cut this with a scissor so it's easy for me to grind down in the food processor. The first thing I'm going to do is start with the liquid ingredients. I have some lemons here and I'm going to squeeze about half a cup of liquid into the jar. To this I'm going to add a half teaspoon of peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. I like to add the coriander just a little bit at a time. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of green chilies, a half teaspoon of red chili powder and a half teaspoon of chaat masala. Next, I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of shredded coconut. I'm going to add half first, grind it down, and then I'm going to add the other half. For best results, chill the chutney before serving or spreading. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for green chutney. This is one of my favorite chutneys. I love spreading it on buttered bread. It's delicious. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and do ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you love this video, do leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you and I want to know what other videos you're looking for as well. Also, share this video with your family and friends so they can enjoy this great recipe as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.